Hi, I want to share with you my DIY landscaping project. I started off by buying pots to remind me that I needed to work on the front yard. Honestly, I don't know anything about plants. I decided to simply order a couple of plants online. As you can see, these grasses kept on growing and I could only think of some ways to control it and add some beauty somehow. Okay, let's commence my landscaping project. By the way, I got these yucca plants from an online seller and ordered soil at the same time. I chose these because they don't require high maintenance and can live 20 up to 50 years outdoors. It's a good day to start with manual grass removal. Wish me luck! During this day, I also did some repotting. It wasn't easy, I swear, but at least I am making progress. Little by little. This part is what I am most excited about. You'll see why. Another online purchase, and I can't wait to arrange each tile. Ta-da! Here's my initial work. I stopped working because it rained. Fast forward to my second visit and did my best to make another progress. Kapoijud kayo manguna, pero happy ko, so go nutsy. I admit it's a painstaking task, but I'm gonna push myself in doing it. The stones are heavy, like literally heavy. You can do it, Nestle. Well, I enjoy this segment of arranging the stones. This is only temporary though. Just so I could match the ugly grasses every time they grow. It's almost dark. Faster net. Here's the partial outcome. I still need to do the other side some other time. I'm about to edit the second part. Stay tuned.